When I'm kitting out my van, I need to make use of all the space I've got. My Trekdrors do exactly that. They help keep even me organised. I can safely fix them to the floor with the mounting kit and a stacking kit to fix them together for all my extra tools. When storing all my gear inside, I use the non-slip protective mats and these handy dividers so I know where everything is when I need it. Nothing gets stuck with the drawers on these encased runners, and our tools are protected all day long with 5mm deadlocks. So now with Trekdror, my tools are organised, tidy and secure.